Here it comes, the GPT auto trading bot for Pocket Option. It's not released yet, just a closed beta testing version, but we still need your suggestions to improve our product and make it the best it can be for launch. Right now, there aren't many settings, just a minimalistic one-tap deal opener with the highest payout. We know users would like more control, such as choosing preferred assets, expiration times, strategies, and more. In this video, we'd really love to hear your honest feedback. What features would you like to see in the GPT auto trading bot? Please leave a comment and share this video to help us gather more feedback. We're working to release the auto trading bot for Pocket Option as soon as possible. Sincerely, Cleo from the GPT trading team.
Moobert.